5 key aspects of FEMA's Transitional Housing Program for Hurricane Helene victims. 1. Eligibility requirements include being affected by Hurricane Helene and meeting income guidelines. 2. Assistance duration varies, typically offering support for up to 18 months post-disaster. 3. Housing options range from temporary rentals to hotel accommodations and manufactured homes. 4. Support services include case management and connections to local resources for recovery. 5. Residents can apply online or at local FEMA offices for immediate assistance and guidance. Stay informed and get the help you need today.